In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your Sellfy checkout page. Designing a checkout page that's both functional and visually appealing is an important aspect of creating a cohesive online store experience. Let's dive into how you can customize the look and feel of your checkout page using Sellfy's platform. To begin, you'll want to access the Store Customizer. Your checkout page's design is integrally linked to your overall store aesthetic, which you manage through the customizer. Start by heading over to your Sellfy dashboard. From there, navigate to Store Settings and then select Customize Store. Once you're in the Store Customizer, you'll see options for viewing and editing your built-in pages, including the all-important checkout page. This is your gateway to ensuring a smooth and visually seamless transaction environment for your customers. Now let's talk about branding and styling your checkout page. The colors, typography, and overall style of this page are dictated by the settings applied across your entire store's design. You might want to begin with store themes. Here, under Store Style, you can apply different themes such as Lumiere or Noir. Each theme provides a unique overall look and feel, and any changes you make will be reflected on your checkout page, keeping everything uniform and professional. Delving into colors and typography, you'll want to focus on global settings for buttons, text, and background colors. The choices you make here will be seamlessly integrated into your checkout page, ensuring brand consistency. It's important to choose colors and fonts that resonate with your brand identity and speak to your audience. Whether you go for bold and vibrant or subtle and understated, make sure it aligns with the message your brand conveys. Don't forget about your logo. Your store's logo, which you can upload in the general settings under Store Name and Logo, will prominently appear on your checkout page. This reinforces brand recognition and adds a level of trust for your customers as they complete their purchase. Your logo is a key visual marker that ties together your store's identity, so make sure it looks sharp and professional. Throughout this process, keep your customer experience at the forefront. A well-designed checkout page not only helps to close sales, but also contributes to a positive impression of your brand. Take your time to explore different themes and settings, ensuring that each visual element works harmoniously to offer a smooth checkout experience. And there you have it. By customizing the look of your checkout page, you maintain brand consistency while offering a cohesive shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on enhancing your online store.